You immediately before COVID hit, Instagram changed story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to do this trending sticker right here. So keep on watching. First of all, we have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen. And here you have to search for my account, which is Alien John YTT. And from my page, you have to go to add your sticker at highlights. Don't go to my story because that will expire in just a few hours, so you may not find it there. So go to add your sticker at highlights. It's the first highlight. Here you have to click until you find the desired sticker. And as you can see, I only have viral stickers and trends right here, so you can check these two if you want. So there we have it. You immediately before COVID hit. Click on the add yours button, and if you are not able to click on the add yours button, then you can go ahead and check the first pinned comment, where I already put a link to a video which shows you what to do if you are not able to click on the add yours button. And at the end of the story, I will show you where you can find that link in the Instagram app. So let's do our story. You have to go to your uploads and choose a photo with you before COVID hit. I will go with this photo right here. It doesn't have to be perfect for me, guys, but you can make it perfect. Place your sticker where you want and you just have to share it with your friends. So yeah, let me show you now from where you can get that link. If you are not able to click on the add yours button, you have to go to super viral at highlights, and here you have to click, and there we have it. If not able to click on add yours button, then you can click on this YouTube link right here. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.